Good morning and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, thank you so much for clicking on this video, and if you are not new here, thanks for coming back. I love you. In today's video, we are going to be doing a day in my life in Los Angeles. I'm not much of a morning person, so that's why I'm like not. It's actually really not that early. It's like 11. So we're gonna start off our morning right by going to the gym, but I want to do a cute little hairstyle today. I don't know why, I'm feeling a little ambitious. So I want to do a little like bubble braids moment. So let's do that first. I promise I'll get more energy throughout the day. I'm just a little bland in the mornings. Let's do it. Alright, breakfast time. I'm eating a leftover Chipotle bowl. I'm gonna put my lettuce on it. Yesterday I was so hungry, I got a Chipotle bowl with extra everything. I made a burrito and I still have this much left. So I'm gonna eat this for breakfast real quick, and then Jess and I are gonna hit the gym. Alright, we're finally off to the gym. We're gonna go hit some back and by today. Your first back and by day with me. Let's do it. And I'm gonna make Jessie film some of the workout for you all. So let's go work out, and then we have errands to run. We gotta go make some Amazon returns. Then we're gonna go to Target. Let's go. This is a typical day of us. Gym girlies, gym rat.
I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be?
Alright, next stop, training.
We could do this right. We'll find the remedy, or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Till the morning light.
It sounds good. Now we're at Target in Hollywood. This Target's a little whack, honestly. It's so bad, even the CeraVe is locked up here. It's a little sketch.
Is that cherry? Yeah.
You don't like cherry?
No.
That's gross. Literally everything is locked up. Hollywood vibes. Alright, we finished our errands. I might do a little bit of a hot girl walk now because it's so nice out before it gets a little dark. Jessie and I are just gonna clean the whole house. It's a very like productive but kind of boring day, but this is truly like the real day-to-day life. Like, this is what I do. Sometimes it's just like me napping and watching TikToks. That's truly the reality of it, but today's been really productive, so that's good. Gonna take a little walk, clean, and then I'll have to girl boss, so I'll probably be editing and working on some social media stuff for the rest of the night. Yeah, let's do it.
Tonight we could do this right. We'll find the remedy, or would you stay with me now till the morning? Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy, or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Till the morning.
Okay, it just feels so nice to have a beautiful, clean apartment. Oh my gosh, it just looks so good in here. And then Jessie just made us this amazing looking meal. Literally what? Chef Jess. So now we're gonna eat some dinner, maybe watch something, do a little girl boss thing, but I'll talk to you after we devour this amazing meal. Hi besties. I'm so sorry for when I end videos, like I just outro like this, like I don't actually film an outro, but that day was honestly kind of boring. I don't know why I decided to film a day in my life on that day. It was a very like typical day in my life, but I'm gonna do another more like LA day in my life and like go do like LA things. I do kind of like outroing like this a little bit though, because I do kind of think of my channel and my vlogs as like a little bit of like a video diary for me. Like I can look back and watch videos that were made at like certain points in my life. So because of that, and because not everybody who watches my YouTube videos follows me on other social media, I do just like to like keep my channel updated like about my life and stuff. Anyways, enough rambling. Basically, what I wanted to come on here and say, and it's gonna be hard for me to say. I'm good, I can do this. Okay, so for those of you who do not follow me elsewhere or like know me in real life, you might not know that I've been kind of dealing with a lot lately. I recently lost one of my best friends. I love you, Rachel. So I've been going through it, and I thought this was good to put after this video too, because I just wanted to say that like not every day looks like this for me at all, and like social media is fake and highlight reels, and people only post what they want people to see. So I just felt like it was important to say this video is not my everyday. Like my everyday for the past month and a half has looked a lot more like me not wanting to get out of bed and me scrolling on TikTok all day, and that's like about it. It's kind of been hard for me to have days like the one I filmed, but I don't know, I just thought it was important to like tell my channel like what I'm going through, and just like shed a light on the fact that like things you see on social media are so like curated, and I just personally want my social media to like stray away from that as much as possible. You know, you watch your favorite influencers like days and they seem so perfect, and they have like the perfect morning routines, and like that's all curated. I guarantee you there are days that are not like that, even for the like most put together aesthetic influencer ever. Like I just want my channel to always be someplace that like reminds you of that, and like doesn't make you feel so like everything has to be perfect. I don't know, I think you get the point. Thank you so much to everybody who watched this video. Sorry my outros have been a little out of whack. YouTube has honestly just kind of been on the back burner for me. It's kind of, like I said, been hard to want to film videos. I promise I will get there, and I will get back into the full swing of things. I'm actually planning on doing Vlogmas, so if you'd be interested in that, comment down below. If you've ever done Vlogmas before, comment down below like how you managed it and how hard it was. That's why I'm a mess. I didn't even film an outro for this, but anyways, I just wanted to be like real on my channel, and like some of my favorite influencers that I really look up to like do stuff like this. It just feels authentic and like me to have an outro like this to this video. I'm gonna stop rambling now. I love you all so much. Thank you so much for watching my videos and for supporting me. Also shout out to my mom. It's her birthday today when this posts, so love you, mom. And as always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Please subscribe.